Hi guys, my name is Raz with AutoDS, and today we're going to show you how to add and remove VA accounts from your AutoDS account. Now if you're not familiar with the term, a VA is a virtual assistant, meaning this can be your employee working for you, helping to manage the store, and of course you might not want to give full access to every aspect of your store. Luckily, AutoDS has full support just for this. So let's get started. Our first act will be to go to the settings page. We'll scroll down on the menu bar on the left and click on settings. This will take us to the main settings page for your AutoDS account. Once we're on the settings page, we'll click on add VA account. In the pop-up, you can see we have the VA name, VA email, which is username, VA password, and a place to enable and disable access to different parts of your store. So let's get started. My VA name for this case will be my VA. Now the VA email is really just a username. It needs to be in email format, but nothing is sent there. So I don't need to put an actual email here. Actually, it's even better if I don't. I'm going to put myva@myvaemail.com. Following that, just put in a password. And over here we'll need to decide what we want to enable, what kind of access we want to give our VA. So does he need to see the dashboard? I'm going to say no for that, no reason for that. Does he need to see untracked listings, meaning the listings that AutoDS does not monitor? Probably not. Customer service, yes, I will leave that. Enable my assistant to end listings. I trust my VA, so I'm okay with that. If it's you're starting with this VA, you might want to decide on that. So we can see everything here: enable active listings, enable orders page, enable uploader. A lot of people will use a VA to upload items, and enable remove from monitor, which of course will leave the listing on eBay, but will remove it from monitoring. It will go to untracked listings. Okay, so now that we're all ready, I'm going to add my VA account. We just click on add. And that's it. If we'll click on add VA account again, you can see that my VA is now a registered VA account inside AutoDS. We'll click on show and we can see the name, the email, and all the enabled and disabled restrictions in the system. Now let's cover removing a VA account, which of course is very simple. Again, we're in the settings page. We go to add VA account, select the account that we want, and simply click on delete. The system will now ask us for confirmation. And that's it. You can see the account is gone.